Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. And if you're new to the channel too and want to hit the subscribe button, that would help me out immensely. Today is the big day. It is currently 4:35 Tuesday morning. My brother and I are going to San Diego, California to finally pick up the RB25 Neo. I'm incredibly stoked. Thank you again, Ian, if you're watching this, for the hookup and just saving the Skyline's life. I am forever grateful. 2 years in the making, guys. This has been 2 years in the making. This definitely could have happened much sooner if I didn't purchase the Mark II, but hey, what are you gonna do? But finalizing our setup, and it looks like we have about a 6-hour and 7-minute drive, which isn't too bad. The plan is, like these road trip vlogs are, to turn and burn, so 6 hours one way and 6 hours back. Pray for the absolute best.
Cheers, mate.
Alright, so as you guys saw in the last clip, made to Ian's house, safe and sound. We picked up the 25 Neo. It's in great shape. It's pretty dirty, as well as the trans, but everything maintenance-wise is up to date. I didn't want to film too much because, I don't know, I felt kind of shy, to be completely honest, but Ian and his friend were super cool dudes. And Ian, if you're watching this, thank you so much for the hookup. It means a lot to me, but I can't wait to get home. We have a lot of work to do on the 25 Neo, essentially. Put it on the stand and start taking literally everything off, degreasing it, cleaning it even more. We gotta call a machine shop to get the head resurfaced, order a metal head gasket, and just so much more, guys, so much more. We'll continue this conversation once we are home, but I'm incredibly stoked. Thank you again, Ian. But we have the 25 Neo. Nice and secure on the stand. It's honestly in really great shape. Again, like manifolds coming off, oil cooler steps coming off. I will be reusing this water line here. We got all new everything. The transmission is in great shape. And then taking the turbo side off, and the 25 Neo turbo will be for sale as well. Shoot me a DM, I'll post it on my Instagram. And then we got the stock full type clutch. But this thing is literally mint, and I did verify it was a Neo because it is a 23U. Searched it and it came up as an RB25 Neo, and this is also from a 1999 Nissan Stagea. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day. My brother and I made it back home last night, safe and sound, not too late, surprisingly, and we have the 25 Neo and the big box RB25 transmission chilling in the garage. Again, just want to say thank you so much, Ian, for giving me the homie hookup with this whole setup. Definitely saves me a ton of money and time. And also, guys, I want to apologize for the lack of filming during our transaction for the motor. Ian was on a time crunch, as well as we were. Didn't want to get stuck in traffic, and he had to go back to work. So we just did the transaction real quick, talked, exchanged some knowledge, exchanged some words, and all is well. Hopefully we'll be seeing his Skyline running as soon as my Skyline is running. But at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the 25 Neo to the engine stand, and then in the next video, we'll go ahead and start disassembling the cold side and the hot side as well. The level of fear, struggle, and anxiety I had mounting the 25 Neo to the engine stand by myself was outrageous, but I did it, guys. Super proud of myself. Was sort of a tricky task, but got it done. Everything is nice and secured, and if it was going to fall, it would have already fallen by now. This is great. This is really great. One step closer. So like I mentioned in the previous clip, in the next video I'll be taking off the intake side and the hot side. Essentially everything, all the timing components, the belts, the alternator, oil cooler. Need to get this off of the manifold, the water line, and put it on the Greddy. And while everything's out, I'll go ahead and start ordering all of the new parts. Like the rear main seal definitely has been done. It's just a little bit grimy and crusty. I will be degreasing the block and head in another video. And then we got the Exity clutch out. It is a pool type. It is also for sale. I will do some more research on the part numbers shown here and keep you guys up to date for what it is. Incredibly stoked, guys. Incredibly stoked. And then we got the RB25 big box, which I'll go ahead and clean up and swap out the shifter and order new C-clips for this thing because I know we were struggling with it in California. And then do the pull to push type conversion. All right, everybody, actually change of plans. As I was editing the video, I realized I only have like 5.5 minutes, which isn't enough, especially for this video. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is start tearing down the RB25 Neo. I'm going to start on the intake side, then I'll move on to the turbo side. And if you guys are curious, or if you guys are interested in any of these parts, any stock parts on the Neo, feel free to shoot me a message on Instagram. But let's just go ahead and get right after it. Manifold is off. Please excuse my cringiness on letting this thing dangle by the old hose. I like these because they say Nissan on them, on the OEM hoses. We've got some aftermarket silicone hoses. If anybody is interested, G+. Alright, G+. So again, just gotta remove this water line. And we'll go ahead and like scuff and shoot this with some paint. And honestly, guys, like looking at the Neo, you can't really see what I see, unfortunately, but it is incredibly clean in here. Like the ports are very nice. Everything just looks super, super clean. Except for this water port here, which again will be cleaned out by the machine shop. But guys, if you can see what I'm seeing, super clean. I think we hit the jackpot on this one. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the oil cooler and the rest of the water lines, also the NOx sensors. And I'm curious to know if there is an aftermarket thermostat in here. If there is, I'm just gonna go ahead and order one anyways. We'll be taking off the thermostat housing and giving that a nice cleanup as well. All right, just got done with the exhaust side. We got the manifold and RB25 Neo turbo off, which is also for sale. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. Got the exhaust studs out since those will be being replaced with titanium. Power steering pump and bracket is out. Went ahead and took off the timing cover to inspect just the cam gears and the belt tension, and this seems about right. Again, this is all going to be brand new, from a brand new harmonic balancer to a pump to a new timing kit. It's all going to be new, so I'm not really worried about it. But before I just disassemble the head from the block, I need to put the motor at TDC. Also went ahead and inspected the coil packs and the spark plugs, which they were all good, but again, irrelevant since I will be getting new everything. Just need to take out the knock sensors. Once the water pump's out, I can knock out this push fitting here because we have a Boost Docs heater hose delete kit, which runs from this cooling port here all the way to here. Just one nice solid aluminum line. For the most part, everything checks out, guys. Really stoked on the progress we made yesterday and in this video. All right, everybody, and on that note, just want to say thank you again so much for the continued love and support. And it's crazy, we finally have the RB25 Neo. The vision is now becoming a reality, and I couldn't be any more grateful. I'm so stoked, got it all assembled. Again, gonna make some calls as soon as possible to get the block and head remachined or refinished, cleaned, degreased, and painted. Also need ideas on what color I should paint the rocker covers and timing covers. I'm shooting towards white per usual, but I kind of want to do something else. Who knows, we'll see, but just want to get the motor prepped as soon as possible, so when all the new parts and wiring harness come in, essentially we can just plug everything away, put the Neo in the Skyline, and then wire up the wiring harness. So incredibly stoked on that. Hopefully shooting by summer. Not too sure how long all these backloaded parts are going to be. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for the continued love and support. And if you're new to the channel too, want to hit the subscribe button, it'd be awesome. And remember, aim high, drive low. We'll catch you next video. Take care.